Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jane, the Regional Sales Manager for PTFE-PCB. Today, we are going to talk about the type of commercial microwave and the RF laminates material, which is designed with load and tight control dielectric capacitance AD250C. The AD250C laminates are glass-reinforced PTFE-based materials that provide controlled dielectric capacitance, low loss performance, and very good pin performance, passive intermodulation. The woven glass reinforcement offers good circuit processability and enables high-yield circuit board fabrication. Now, let's look at the datasheets to get more properties of AD250C. This table consists of electrical properties, thermal properties, mechanical properties, and physical properties. The first column is pin. Typical pin values using reverse 3D ED carbon foil are minus 159 dpc and 30 μ thickness, and minus 163 dpc at 60 μ thickness. These are typical values obtained using the extensive pin testing capability as voltage at 1900 MHz using a two-taught reflecting method on a 50-ohm microstrip test vehicle. Dielectric capacitance of process value is 2.52 at 10 GHz, design decay values at 2.5. This particular value is specifically because more and more antenna applications target the dielectric capacitance number. The dissipation factor at 10 GHz is 0.0013. This is considered very low loss. And then TCDK, thermal coefficient of dielectric capacitance, describes how much the dielectric capacitance will change with changes in temperature. TCDK at 50 parts per million per degree C or less, at absolute value anyway, is considered very good. And then this case of AD250C material has minus 117 parts per million per degree C TCDK. This can be considered a medium level number. Volume resistivity of 4.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 8 mega per centimeter, and the surface resistivity of 4.1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 7 mega are very good. Electrical strength is 979 volts per mil accordance with IPCTN 650 2.5.6.2. Dielectric breakdown is greater than 40 kV. Now, let's look at the thermal properties. Decomposition temperature exceeds 500 degrees Celsius, measured under the condition of baking 2 hours at 105 degrees Celsius, 5% waste loss in accordance with IPCTN 650 2.3.40. While the X and Y axis show a median level of thermal expansion coefficients, the direction seems a little bit poor with 196 parts per million per degree C. With 0.33 watts per meter per Kelvin, thermal conductivity is likewise showing a general level. T288 is a good number and lasts longer than 60 minutes. Okay, let's go on with mechanical characteristics. According to IPCTN 650, the pure strength of 1 ounce of carbon foil after thermal stress is 2.6 Newton per millimeter. Threshold strength is 8.8 megapascal in machine direction and 6.4 megapascal in closed machine direction. Tensile strength is 6 megapascal in ND and 5.6 megapascal in CND. In ND, the flash modules is 885 megapascal, while in CND it is 778 megapascal. In the machine direction and cross direction, dimensional stability is 0.02 mils per inch and 0.06 mils per inch respectively. For mechanical qualities, these data are quite good. Finally, let's see the physical characteristics. Flammability complies with the 194V0 standard. The amount of moisture absorbed is only 0.04%. Its specific heat capacity is 0.813 joule per gram per Kelvin, and its density is 2.28 gram per cubic centimeter. For AD250C PCBs, we can provide you with single-sided bolts, double-sided bolts, multi-layer bolts, and hybrid ties. The standard thickness for AD250C PCBs are 20 mils, 13 mils, and 16 mils. Thickness cover on track lines can be 1 ounce and 2 ounces. Our maximum PCB size on AD250C materials is 400 mm by 500 mm. It can be a single board in the sheet and also can be different designs in this panel. Solder mask of green, black, blue, red, and yellow, etc. is available in-house. There are several plating possibilities for pens, such as emulsion gold, HASL, emulsion silver, emulsion tin, OSB, pure gold, ENEPIG, and the bare carbon ink, etc. Now on the screen is a type of 16mm AD250C high-frequency PCB with black solder mask. The typical applications of AD250C PCBs are several infrastructure base station antenna, automotive telematics antenna systems, and the commercial satellite radio antenna, etc. Passive intermodulation has been a concern in wireless transmission systems since the 1970s. PTFE systems then use a single antenna for both transmitting and receiving signals on multiple carrier frequencies. In order to minimize spin generation on the laminates, routers determine their high conductor purity and low conductor profile, dielectric formulation, and the physical qualities, as well as proper control of the conductor dielectric interface are all properly managed. Antenna designers can be assured of having an opportunity to create an antenna design with the lowest spin possible, just like AD250C. It features low values of pin, better than -157 dPc. Okay, this concludes today's episode. Thank you for watching. See you next time.